my channel, this is Titi and today we are preparing breadfruit crumble. For this you will need 100 grams of all-purpose flour, brown sugar and soft butter. We might need a little bit more butter though to butter the mold so the crumble does not stick at the end. And finally you will need 450 grams of breadfruit, our main ingredient. Be ready though, because this set is the fastest I have so far. So if you have 5 to 10 minutes to realize the set and can leave it in your oven for half an hour, then this dish is for you. If you enjoyed this video, please do push the thumb up, subscribe to the channel for more cooking videos and turn on the notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Let's get started.
Preheat the oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius on a conventional oven.
Oh, I completely forgot there were the napkins behind me. Let me remove them first. Better. I think this bowl will suffice. Ooh.
Place 100 grams of soft butter into a recipient. Add 100 grams of all-purpose flour. Finally, add 80 grams of brown sugar. In a separate bowl, prepare 338 grams of frozen red fruit that you will then place into the baking recipient. But beforehand, do butter it in order to avoid the crumble to stick at the end. Then place the 338 grams of frozen red fruit you prepared previously into the baking recipient. Make sure to spread them evenly too. Now comes the time to prepare the dough. Just mix the ingredients with your hands until they become one. Now that the dough is ready, take one piece at a time and smash it in between your hands. Then place the flattened piece onto the top of the red fruit and do this again and again until the red fruit are completely covered. Finally add 112 grams of frozen red fruit on top of the dough. Quick recap on how to prepare the red fruit crumble. It has 3 layers. In the first one, you will place 338 grams of frozen red fruit. On top of it, you will add the dough, and in order to prepare it, you will need 100 grams of butter, to which you will add 100 grams of flour and 80 grams of sugar. You will mix the ingredients together in your hands, knead the dough, and flatten it out while spreading the dough across the recipient on top of the red fruit. Finally, you will add 112 grams of frozen red fruit on top of the dough. And ta-da! Your dessert is ready. You just need to place it in the oven. Place the dish in the oven on the 3rd rack from bottom up for 45 minutes. Serve and enjoy! Bon appétit! tea. I think I like it a lot more like this. More crusty, can be eaten without limit. This is so good, yes! Now I'm delecting myself. Do we say delecting in the States? Delecte? I'm just eating with pleasure. With intense pleasure. Oh my gosh, it's so much better than the other one. And the other one was great. So. It's melting in my mouth. I'm almost done. I want to eat the whole cake right now. But I still need to taste the chirashi. Yeah, the video was 2 videos ago, but I did this meal at the same time. Finished this one and then I did the chirashi. Oh mon dieu, this is so freaking good! Oh yes, do this! The second trial is best. Make sure to put only 80 grams of sugar. It was perfect. Otherwise, it's just too much sugarish, you know. I swear to you, I want to take another bite. Do I have time? Okay, I'm going to take another one. Oh mon dieu, what am I doing? I ate almost half the cake. And in case you wonder, this is the aftermath. Not quite half. Half would be here. But near. Close enough. Bon, I didn't have tea time either, so... Right. We don't care about the presentation anymore. But I have to. Let me come closer. I finished! I'm such a piggy! Bon bah voilà, it's done my friends. If you enjoyed the video, please do push the thumb up, subscribe for more cooking videos and turn on the notification bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Okay, bye bye!